Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your English teacher Nancy Pandey. So today we are going to study a very interesting poem from your English reader book. The name of the poem is The Mother Bird. So students, in this poem there is a small conversion between the boy and bird. So my dear students, a mother loves her children so much, and a mother is the most important person in a children's life. Let's start this poem. This is the song she or bird sing to the little boy. Look at the picture given here. Let's start the poem. A bird sits singing in our tree. A bird sits singing in our tree. This is the song she sings to me. This is the song she sings to me. Don't you touch my little nest. Don't you touch my little nest. Leave my babies there at rest. Leave my babies there at rest. So my dear students, in the first stanza of the poem, the boy finds a bird sitting on the tree nearby. The bird is singing a song and advises the child to stay away from her nest, as her babies are taking rest in the nest. Now let's read the second stanza of this poem. Dear little bird, you need not fear. Dear little bird, you need not fear. Your nest to me is very dear. Your nest to me is very dear. So sing, dear bird, your very best. So sing, dear bird, your very best, while all day long your babies rest. While all day long your babies rest. So students, in the second stanza of this poem, the child tells the mother bird, do not afraid, because he also loves the birds, and he also says to sing freely and enjoy the whole day when her young ones are taking rest in the nest. So students, what do we learn from this poem? We should love and take care of little bird. We should never hurt a bird and hurt her nest also. We should take care of them. So this is the explanation of this chapter. Now let's read the poem again. You have to repeat the lines after me. A bird sits singing in our tree. A bird sits singing in our tree. This is the song she sings to me. This is the song she sings to me. Don't you touch my little nest. Don't you touch my little nest. Leave my babies there at rest. Leave my babies there at rest. Dear little bird, you need not fear. Dear little bird, you need not fear. Your nest to me is very dear. Your nest to me is very dear. So sing, dear bird, your very best. So sing, dear bird, your very best. While all day long your babies rest. While all day long your babies rest. So, my dear students, I hope you understand the explanation of this poem very well with the help of this video. I think you enjoy this lovely poem from your English reader book, page number 42. You have to learn this poem and do discuss about how to take care of birds and their young ones with your family members. You have to learn this poem. This is a homework for you. Now let's do a short exercise. Question number A from this poem. Enjoy the poem. Question number A. Circle the correct words to complete the sentences. A monkey or bird sits in the tree. So students, here you have to complete this sentence by the help of choosing one correct words from the given bracket. So in first sentence you have to circle the word bird. A bird sits in the tree. Now look at the second one. The bird sings or reads a song. So here the correct word for this sentence is sings. The bird sings a song. Now let's come to the third one. The bird does not want anyone to touch the tree or nest. So students, you know very well in this poem, the bird does not want anyone to touch the nest, because in the nest her young ones or babies are resting. So here you have to circle the word nest. Now let's come to the last one. The squirrels or babies in the nest rest all day long. So here correct word for this sentence is babies. The babies in the nest rest all day long. Now this short exercise is completed now. you have to learn this poem. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at your home. Thank you, students. Bye and take care.